क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें बनाने के लिए यू हैव टू burn fuel, you have to transport के लिए you have to burn fuel again. So there's some emissions happening all around the process. So at the end of the time, when you get the particular product, some energy has been consumed, some carbon has been released into the environment, which is the carbon footprint of that particular thing.
Okay.
So I'll give you a very, very simple example with how natural materials are very close to being carbon neutral. So there's the beautiful material which I am fascinated with, which is lime. So uska ek cyclic nature that I have mentioned some time back is that you know how lime is mined. 2-3 sources है, shell lime से भी बनता है, mountain से भी you can. It's a finite material, but how it achieves this cyclicity is एक तो mine होता है. At that time it's calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So after mining it is kind of set up into kilns, वहाँ पे वो burn होता है. तो बर्निंग के प्रोसेस में वो उसके अंदर का CaCO3 का CO2 है that is released. So carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere during the burning process. Then it is left with quicklime, which is calcium oxide, CaO. So now this calcium oxide when we procure as quicklime and you know उसको पानी से मिलाना पड़ता है, वो heat up हो जाता है. It gives you slaked lime. So slaked lime is a particular thing जो हम use करने वाले हैं अपने building construction में. And this slaked lime, which is calcium hydroxide, then you add sand to it, you add other ingredients to it, and say you plaster it or you use it as a mortar. So once it is there onto your walls, it kind of starts setting. So this process of setting happens when it is reacting with the atmospheric carbon dioxide. So remember the CO2 that it released, it's kind of taking it back. So in this whole process, it's kind of getting back to being CaCO3, which is calcium carbonate. जहाँ से वो शुरू हुआ था वहाँ पे वो खत्म होता है. It's like making stone on your walls again.
Correct.
So and this is a process जो ये लाइफ भर करता रहता है. मतलब ये 1-2 साल का नहीं है, वो करता रहता है 20 साल में. इसीलिए ऐसे बोलते हैं कि जहाँ पे सीमेंट का लाइफ खत्म होता है वहाँ पे चूने का लाइफ शुरुआत होता है. So
that's very well put out and explained, very well summarized
thing.
Again, I'm very fascinated by this life cycle of I never knew that lime had such a quality.